What's up, guys? Drone Mania here. Drone Mania here. Anyways, what's up, guys? Drone Mania here. Yes. So, anyways, this is something kind of new I want to try. I don't know. So, I'm gonna be vlogging, reviewing, I guess. That probably already exists, but whatever. I'm calling it. I called it. It is what it is. Yeah. So vlogging review. Okay. Yeah. So anyways, I'm vlogging reviewing this. Oh yeah, I forgot it shows for you guys upside down. So it is called VIBOTON Backlit i8-PLUS. Okay. Now the functions here. You have the QWERTY keyboard. You have mouse control. You have sensitive touchpad and multi-capability. Yeah, and multi-capability. So this seems like a really promising, keyboard. Yeah. As you can see here on the bottom, it's basically telling you of the backlight, because this thing comes with backlight as well. That's what makes it so much cooler too. Exactly like backlights you receive on a keyboard when you illuminate it. So anyways, there's the option for backlight that you have one color backlit or three color backlit. So I decided to go with the three color because it would be more cooler. So okay, so that's about it with this. Let's go now inside. Flipped it out. Now I'm going to be opening it. I want you guys to see everything and tell me if this is a cool style or if it's the craziest shit you've ever seen. Huh. Wow. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, there it is. And the back of it. Now, from the feel of it, from the feel of it, I'm feeling like solidness. It feels like it has a really nice build. This touchpad right here kind of gives it like a cheapy look. Yes, it does give it a little cheapy look because it's like, it's, as you can see from the side, it's not like, parallel, like leveled out with the plastic itself, the front frame, whatever. So yeah, it does have some sort of cheapy quality look. The feel does seem like a solid build, if I'm not mistaken. Like I feel that it has a nice solid feel. Okay, it you have your on off button here. Let's remove this. There. So now what I know that it's been separated, so now there's going to be connectivity for power. As I said, power. You see that? Oh shit. Does it work? Oh yeah, it works. So yeah, it's working. Like you can see the light and stuff, it's good and everything. So that's pretty much about it. Let's actually put it in a test to see how well it is. So it's also rechargeable, guys. I didn't even know that, I just seen right now. It also rechargeable, so it has a USB. This is USB micro, if I'm not mistaken. Same on your Galaxy ones, like your Galaxies before the 8. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Everything seems to be working. You connect it right in there. You see that? Connect it right there, and that's where you charge it. Now the back part here slips out, and after you rip that out, ooh, look at this. So there's the battery. So it is guaranteed rechargeable. And you got your connection that I need to remove it and connect it into the computer. Very, very nice. So far, guys, I'm really, really impressed with this. And I don't remember the price, guys. Oh my God. I'll leave it in the description, the price, and see them right next to each other so you can see. So it is, everything is working perfect. Let's see the touch. Wow, that's amazing, guys. Look at that. That is, what the hell did I just do? Ah, that's the right mouse button. Wow, very nice. Okay, so this is the touchpad. So as you can see, here's the mouse moving while I'm touching on the top here. Very, very amazing. I'm very impressed. And you have gestures and everything. Let's see, scrolling down, scrolling up. This I'll have to do like this. Wow, the mouse is just like speed. Really fast it's going. Okay, so there it is. Yo, guys, I also have that gesture, 2-finger gesture to scroll up and down without having to go right here. So that's amazing. So all in all, guys, this is it was just a really fast unboxing and trying this new style review vlogging, like really one-on-one with the product and with you guys, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the review for this keypad. I'll get into more details because I am going to do a steamed post about it, and that's when I'll get really specific. But it does have a 300 milliamp battery, so that's good too. Designed by Hong Kong, made in China. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna start now making a post video, etc. And I'm gonna be really putting this into test. So there's gonna be future update on this too. Okay, I hope you guys like this review and this helped you in some way. As you can see, it's like they said, it's a gaming pad. So I have controllers there, and I'm gonna try this with Mortal Kombat XL or a few really quick seconds of Resident Evil, because that shit scares the crap out of me. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlogging review, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks. Bye.